Okay, for the quiz today, how you'll get there is you'll click classwork and then go under conflict in the colonies. It's not posted yet since the quiz hasn't happened yet, but you will see something that says 4.5 quiz. When you click it, you will open up something that looks like this, except it will say your name before RG 4.5 quiz. The directions are in here, but just as a reminder, the first part is going to be vocabulary. We don't have a lot of vocabulary in this section, which is really good. So you'll come down here and you will use Google Read and Write, or you will just read your phrases or vocabulary terms and the definition options. Okay, you will drag the definition over to whoever or whatever you think it goes along with. Remember that this is an open notes quiz. So let's say that you did a really good job on your 4.5 vocabulary. Go use that assignment, right? Because it's all of the same information. Right? Your 4.5 vocabulary also has read aloud vocabulary terms and their definitions on the first slide. So feel free to use that to help you out. Part 2, this is where everything is 2 points each now. Step 1, you're going to watch this video, okay? It's just a video of me kind of giving you a reminder of what we learned during this lesson. Then for the rest of the slides, you will read or use Google Read and Write to listen to each of the questions. So for example, this question says, why did the British want to move the fighting down south? You have 2 answer choices. You could either read, or again, if you want to use Google Read and Write to listen to, you can click your purple puzzle piece and click the play button. Point to the right answer choice. And she'll read it out loud to you. So once you've decided what you think is the right answer, you will take this yellow arrow and just drag it either to the first answer or to the second answer. Remember that there are these little pictures here to help you, right? This picture goes with the answer choice that has to do with it being warmer, where the picture of the loyalists has to do with there being more loyalists in the southern colonies. You will continue this for the rest of the questions. This time, first time we've done this, there's actually going to be 2 extra credit questions. Okay, instead of being worth 2 points, they will each be worth 1 point. But that means you have the potential to get 2 extra credit points if you were to get them both correct. Okay, so one asks, why was George Washington so important during the Revolutionary War? Again, even though it's an extra credit point, you will still be answering by dragging your arrow to what you think the correct answer is. This is the exact same idea for this question that says, who were loyalists loyal to? And you will drag your arrow either to match the Patriots or Britain and the King. All right, again, one last thing I wanted to show you. If you watched this review video and you are still confused on one of these questions, okay, you can always go back into Google Classroom and look under our review section, okay? It will say 4.5 review video and slides. Right, there's a video here. It's only 3 minutes long that will remind you of the key information that we learned. And here is where you will find that student paced pear deck where you can click through and read that information if you want to go at your own pace. All right, let me know if you have any questions at all. And good luck, guys.